If you saw my short where I put out the sign, then you already know that something is coming. This is my newest listing in the Lawrenceville, Georgia area, and by the end of this video, you're going to know what the price is and what makes this home different from everything else on the market right now. So, and you're also going to know exactly how to book a showing before it's gone. What's up, everybody? This is Cheryl, and if you're new to this channel, I am a real estate agent here in the metro Atlanta area, and I talk about real estate, I talk about walkthroughs, I talk about appraisals, value, and I talk about simply buying and selling homes in the area. If that's your thing, hit the subscribe button, because today we're going to talk about my beautiful newest listing coming to the market, located in the beautiful Ansley Brook subdivision in Lawrenceville. This home is located in one of the most sought after school districts in Gwinnett County. So let's start with the numbers. So this beautiful 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths is offered at only $339,000. It offers, like I said, a large master on the main. It has a beautiful fenced-in backyard, a big, large, oversized deck for entertaining. It has a EV charger that's going to remain in the garage. And did I mention it's in one of the most sought-after school districts in Gwinnett County? Now, here's what I want you to pay attention to. This home is priced to sell. It has multiple upgrades, and it is priced under similar homes so far in that zip code. So if you are, for my over 50 people, if you're looking for something with a master on the main, this home offers a beautiful master right off of the deck. It has a beautiful view to the private backyard. And downstairs, it has this beautiful area that can be converted into an in-law suite or a teenager's oasis. So the first thing you'll notice when pulling up to this beautiful home is the fresh landscaping, and curb appeal does matter. It is the first impression for every buyer, and this one really delivers. Walking in, you got that beautiful open concept with natural light, and the light is just so natural and beautiful. It just photographs so well, and even better, it looks even better in person. The kitchen is a big selling point. It has all the appliances that we are leaving in the home, including the washer and the dryer, and all of the appliances under 6 years old. So what else? I mean, it has just so many upgrades. It has a new roof, a newer roof, maybe like 2 years old, water heater, HVAC system. I mean, when I say this thing is like renovated, and it's just so beautiful. So don't miss out on this. And another thing that I want to mention is that it has a beautiful built-in cedar closet. So for those winter coats and just things that you want to protect, you have a custom cedar closet. Now, honestly, location is prime for this listing, because it has easy access to Highway 316 and to Highway 85. And Lawrenceville has just a beautiful growing downtown area full of shops, events, and did I mention it's in one of the most sought after schools in Gwinnett County, which is Brookwood. So if you are someone who are looking, or if you know someone that you think that would be interested in this beautiful listing, please drop me a DM in the comments and let me know if you want to book a private showing with me. And also, if you want to just take a look at it, DM me, and I will send you over the full listing with the pictures included. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I am so excited about this new listing, and I know that it won't last. So don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting new listings, market updates, behind the scenes real estate business every single week, so don't miss out. And I'll see you here at the next one.